In this video, I will show you how to download WhatsApp in your laptop. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, you actually need to download this from the Microsoft Store. So what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to the bottom left-hand corner to your search box. Then go ahead and type Store into the search box, and underneath Best Match, the Microsoft Store should now come up. So just click onto this to open up the Microsoft Store. So once the Microsoft Store has loaded up, you might see it in the top 3 apps. However, if you don't see it here, just come up to the search box at the top and go ahead and type WhatsApp into here and then press enter. So here is WhatsApp here, as you can see in the search results. So what you want to do is click onto this to come onto the app screen, and you're going to see an install button, or it might say get, but it's basically the same thing. So you just want to click that button to get and install WhatsApp onto your laptop. So it's just going to take a minute or two to download, dependent of course on your internet connection. So as you can see, WhatsApp has now finished downloading and installing on the laptop. So now all we need to do is go ahead and press the blue open button, and it's going to open up WhatsApp in your laptop. Now you just need to go through and click on to get started, and what you can do to set this up on your computer, you need to actually open WhatsApp on your phone. Then you want to tap menu, all settings, and select link devices, and then tap link a device and point your phone to the screen to capture the code. Or you can alternatively link this with your phone number by clicking the link underneath. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number to link this to my WhatsApp from my mobile. Of course, I've blurred out my mobile number here for security reasons, but all you would do is click next, or alternatively scan the QR code, and what's going to happen is going to ask you to enter the code on screen onto your phone. So what you need to do is follow the instructions on screen. So you just need to go ahead and open up WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the menu or settings icon and select link devices. Then if you tap on link with phone number, and what you need to do is point your phone to the screen to capture the code, or you can enter it alternatively just manually onto your phone. So once you've entered the code onto your phone, what's going to happen, it's going to log you in, and it's basically going to link to your phone. So it's going to actually pull all your WhatsApp conversations from your mobile device to your computer. As you can see, we've got a thing at the top which says syncing 33%. So it's currently syncing to my mobile device. And as you can see, we are now set up ready to go. So that's how to go ahead and download WhatsApp in your laptop. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.